a legacy of innovation, setting the stage. Intel's story is one of relentless pursuit of technological advancement and innovation. From its humble beginnings to becoming a global powerhouse, Intel has always been at the forefront of the semiconductor industry. Intel is a well-known name in the world of computers. Its microprocessors are the heart of countless devices, driving the performance and capabilities of modern technology. The company's influence extends far beyond just making chips. It has shaped the very landscape of computing. For decades, it has been a leader in making the brains of computers, called microprocessors. These tiny yet powerful components are the result of years of research, development, and innovation. Intel's engineers and scientists have consistently pushed the boundaries of what is possible, creating faster, more efficient, and more powerful processors with each new generation. These tiny chips power everything from laptops and desktops to servers and data centers. They are the unsung heroes of the digital age, enabling the seamless operation of countless applications and services that we rely on every day. From personal computing to enterprise solutions, Intel's microprocessors are at the core of it all. Intel's journey has been marked by innovation and a constant drive to push the boundaries of technology. The company's history is filled with groundbreaking achievements and industry firsts. From the introduction of the world's first microprocessor to the development of cutting-edge manufacturing processes, Intel has always been a pioneer. The last decade, however, has been particularly challenging for Intel. The company has faced a series of obstacles that have tested its resilience and adaptability. Market dynamics have shifted and new competitors have emerged, each vying for a share of the lucrative semiconductor market. The company faced new competition, technological shifts, and internal difficulties. These challenges have forced Intel to re-evaluate its strategies and make significant changes to stay ahead. The rise of mobile computing, the shift towards cloud-based services, and the increasing demand for energy-efficient solutions have all impacted Intel's traditional business model. This period tested Intel's resilience and forced it to adapt in order to stay competitive. The company has had to innovate not just in its products, but also in its approach to business. This has included investing in new technologies, forming strategic partnerships, and expanding into new markets. Despite these challenges, Intel remains a major player in the semiconductor industry. Its commitment to innovation and quality has allowed it to maintain a strong position in the market. The company's extensive portfolio of products and technologies continues to drive advancements in computing and beyond. Its decades of experience, technical expertise, and strong brand recognition give it a solid foundation for the future. Intel's legacy of innovation is not just a thing of the past, it is a guiding principle that continues to shape its vision for the future. The company is poised to lead the next wave of technological advancements. This essay will explore Intel's journey over the past decade, highlighting both its triumphs and its challenges. We will examine the key events that have defined this period and analyze how Intel has navigated the complex and ever-changing landscape of the tech industry. We will delve into the key events that have shaped the company and analyze its current position in the ever-evolving tech landscape. By understanding Intel's past and present, we can gain insights into its future and the role it will play in the ongoing evolution of technology. The calm before the storm. Intel in the early 2010s. At the beginning of the 2010s, Intel was riding high. Its processors powered the vast majority of personal computers worldwide. The company was synonymous with computing power and innovation. Intel seemed unstoppable. However, beneath the surface of this success, a new era in computing was emerging. Mobile technology, smartphones and tablets powered by a different type of processor were rapidly gaining popularity. This shift towards mobile devices caught Intel somewhat off guard. The company had been focused on maintaining its dominance in the PC market and was slow to adapt to the changing landscape. This initial complacency would have significant consequences for Intel in the years to come. The mobile revolution. A missed opportunity, the rise of mobile technology has been nothing short of transformative. From the way we communicate to how we access information, mobile devices have reshaped our daily lives. But in this rapidly evolving landscape, not every tech giant managed to seize the moment. The rise of mobile devices, particularly smartphones, created a massive new market for processors. This market was ripe for innovation, with billions of devices needing efficient and powerful chips to function seamlessly. Companies that could deliver on these needs stood to gain immensely. Companies like ARM, with their energy-efficient chip designs, were well positioned to capitalize on this trend. ARM's architecture became the backbone of most mobile processors, thanks to its ability to deliver high performance while consuming minimal power. This efficiency was crucial for mobile devices which rely heavily on battery life. Intel, on the other hand, struggled to gain a foothold in this rapidly growing sector. Despite being a dominant player in the PC market, Intel found it challenging to adapt its technology to the mobile world. The company's processors, known for their power and performance in desktops and laptops, were not as suitable for mobile devices. Intel's processors, designed for power-hungry PCs, were not as energy efficient as those from ARM. This difference in design philosophy put Intel at a significant disadvantage. Mobile devices required chips that could deliver adequate performance without draining the battery quickly, a balance that ARM managed to achieve but Intel struggled with. This put them at a disadvantage in the mobile market where battery life was a critical factor for consumers. Users demanded devices that could last all day on a single charge, and ARM's energy-efficient designs met this need perfectly. Intel's chips, however, often fell short in this regard, leading to shorter battery life and less consumer satisfaction. Despite several attempts to enter the mobile market, Intel was unable to replicate its success in PCs. The company invested heavily in research and development, trying to create mobile processors that could compete with ARM's offerings. However, these efforts did not yield the desired results, and Intel's mobile chips failed to gain significant traction. The company's chips were not widely adopted by smartphone manufacturers, and it struggled to compete with the established players. Major smartphone brands preferred ARM-based processors, which had already proven their worth in terms of performance and efficiency. Intel's late entry into the market and its inability to match ARM's energy efficiency meant that it was often overlooked by manufacturers. This missed opportunity in the mobile sector would have a lasting impact on Intel's market position. The company, once a leader in the tech industry, found itself playing catch-up in a market that had moved on without it. The lessons from this experience highlight the importance of adaptability and innovation in the fast-paced world of technology. Section 4. Manufacturing roadblocks, stumbling on the path to progress. In the semiconductor industry, manufacturing prowess is paramount. The ability to produce cutting-edge technology efficiently and at scale is what sets industry leaders apart from the rest. This is a field where precision, innovation, and speed are not just advantages but necessities. The ability to produce smaller, faster, and more energy-efficient chips is crucial for staying ahead of the competition. As technology advances, the demand for high-performance chips grows exponentially, driving companies to push the boundaries of what's possible. For many years, Intel was the undisputed leader in manufacturing technology. The company set the standard for innovation and efficiency, consistently delivering top-tier products that powered everything from personal computers to data centers. However, in the mid-2010s, Intel stumbled. The company, which had long been at the forefront of semiconductor manufacturing, began to face significant challenges. These challenges were not just minor setbacks, but substantial roadblocks that threatened its leadership position. The company faced significant delays and challenges in transitioning to its next-generation 14-nanometer manufacturing process. This transition was crucial for maintaining their competitive edge, but the delays caused a ripple effect throughout the organization. These delays allowed competitors such as Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company, or TSMC, to catch up and even surpass Intel in manufacturing capabilities. TSMC seized the opportunity, rapidly advancing their technology and capturing market share that Intel had long dominated. This manufacturing setback had a ripple effect on Intel's business. The delays not only impacted their production timelines, but also shook investor confidence, leading to a decline in stock prices and a re-evaluation of the company's future prospects. It impacted the company's ability to deliver new products on time and put it at a competitive disadvantage. Missed deadlines and delayed product launches meant that Intel's customers had to look elsewhere, further eroding the company's market position. It also highlighted the need for a change in leadership and strategy. The company had to rethink its approach, innovate its processes, and rebuild its reputation. This period of introspection and transformation was critical for Intel to regain its footing and strive towards reclaiming its position as a leader in the semiconductor industry. Section 5. The return of a champion. Pat Gelsinger takes the helm. In 2021, after several years of internal turmoil and external challenges, Intel appointed Pat Gelsinger as its new CEO. Gelsinger, an Intel veteran who had previously served as the company's chief technology officer, was seen as a transformative leader who could steer Intel back to its former glory. Gelsinger's return to Intel was met with optimism by investors and employees alike. He brought with him a deep understanding of the company's culture, its strengths, and its weaknesses. More importantly, he had a bold vision for Intel's future. Section 6. A new course. Gelsinger's transformative vision. Upon taking the helm, Gelsinger wasted no time in outlining his ambitious plan to revitalize Intel. His strategy, dubbed IDM 2.0, aimed to restore Intel's manufacturing leadership, regain its competitive edge, and expand into new growth markets. A key pillar of Gelsinger's vision was to make Intel a major player in the foundry business. This meant opening up Intel's manufacturing facilities to produce chips designed by other companies. This move was a significant departure from Intel's traditional business model and signaled a willingness to embrace new opportunities.